Hi, I'm Troy with Woodland Scenics. Adding large water features like rivers to my layout is one of my favorite things to do. When I make a river, I like to have the water extend all the way to the edges of the diorama for enhanced realism. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a temporary dam so you can make water features that reach the edge of your layout. Before you begin, make sure you have prepared your base properly. You can watch our water undercoat video for more information. A link to this video is in the description. I like to use polyethylene plastic and some foam tack glue to make the dam. My plastic is about 1/2 millimeter thick. If you think your dam needs some extra support, use thicker plastic or add some cardboard to support the plastic. Cut your polyethylene plastic so it will cover your open area. Then apply foam tack glue to the layout and attach the plastic. Make sure you fill in any gaps between the plastic and your layout. If there's a hole, the water product will find it and leak out of the water feature. Now I need to let the glue dry completely. I prepared another diorama that is already dried, so I'm ready to pour my water. This method works with deep pour water, clear, and murky. For this layout, I'm using deep pour water murky. You can do multiple layers to achieve the desired depth for your layout. Just don't remove the dam until you're done. Wait until the water has fully cured before removing the dam. I have another diorama that is already cured, so I can go ahead and remove my temporary dam. Simply peel the dam away from your layout and water feature. Take your time and be gentle so you don't damage your layout. Once the plastic has been removed, just scrape away any remaining glue residue with a hobby knife. Now you can enjoy a water feature that reaches the edge of your layout. This is the perfect time to add your choice of surface waters, such as water ripples and water waves. You can find links to additional videos on our website or in the video description. For more information on the water system and other products, visit woodlandscenics.com.